Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. In today's video, I want to share how do you grow network marketing business if you don't know many people. So I know a lot of people who have many friends, and then there's some of those people, maybe you or somebody you know, and they have this issue or problem where they don't know many friends. Maybe they only have or know few friends in their warm market, and they're just maybe not that social, or maybe they moved to a new country and now they found themselves in a new place, new country, new city, whatever the situation is, and they don't know how to have, or they just don't know many friends. So how do they build a network marketing business? Because many people think that you need to have a lot of friends, a lot of connections, acquaintances in order to build your network marketing business. And this is absolutely not true. This only helps or could help to start. Now, I know it's easier to start when you know people, but at the same time, that's not a deal breaker. What's really important is your state of mind and your belief whether you can do this or not. Whether you have many friends or no friends makes no difference. People with a lot of friends, some people with a lot of friends did not become successful regardless. Some people have hundreds and hundreds, maybe thousands of friends, connections, great relationship, and yet they did not become successful in network marketing. On the other side, there are people who have zero friends, almost zero, or barely know anybody. They come to a new place. Take me, for example, put me in a new environment. Take me, I wanted to say, take me to the moon, and if there are people, I will get connected with them and I will introduce them our products in our business. Simple as that. So it is a state of mind how you approach the business. It's not about knowing many people or not knowing. The difference is only at the beginning to maybe it's easier to start. That's all. That's the only difference. Now, no matter how many friends you have, or no matter how many connections somebody has, sooner or later that person will exhaust, meaning go through those connections, go through those friends and relatives and family, and introduce them products and services, and most of them will not join anyway. So not a big deal. It's just state of mind. It is just understanding, and it's so much more important of figuring out how to always get new connections. That's the question you should be asking yourself. Not how many people I know, but how many new people I can connect with this week, today, this month. That's the question you should be asking. So you need to figure out what's the best way, or what are the different ways you can connect with new people. So regardless of how many friends you know, you can always connect with new people and introduce them products and business. Whether they come in as leads, whether you go and do some things like when you're out and about, going and buy things, going to school, kids activities, sport, music, whatever you do, there are some people. And if you know how to connect with those people and then nicely and politely and professionally introduce them business, that's the secret. That's the secret. That's how you become professional network marketer. And then regardless how many friends and family you have, that's honestly absolutely not important. It doesn't make any difference, because again, no matter how many people you know, sooner or later they will find out and you will introduce it to them, and then you're going to be at square zero just like everybody else. So what's much more important is to find a way, to have a way to learn about it, or to have a system, whether you're doing this in person, whether you're doing this using social media, whether you get leads online, whether you create your own leads or whether you buy leads, or whatever way you prefer to do this business, completely up to you. If you're a friendly person, and if you're an outgoing person, and if you have the skills, you can do it in person and always have unlimited prospects who you can introduce products in business. And if you're not, perfectly fine. You can still buy leads, you can get leads, you can create your own leads, and you can use attraction marketing, and people will be reaching out to you, so you don't have to reach out to other people. So there are always options, as long as you believe in your company, as long as you believe that network marketing is suitable business, as long as you are ready and always ask a question: how do I do this? Not look at the problems, because there are always problems, there are always issues, there are always challenges, but you can use that as an excuse and say, oh, I don't know many people, and I don't know, I think you need to know many people to get started. I think you need to have a lot of friends and family and connections in order to grow your network marketing business. Absolutely not true. Instead, ask yourself, how do I find more people? How do I find those people who are interested in what I have to offer? That's the question you should be asking. And if you have those kind of questions in your mind, then you're operating on a professional way, an entrepreneurial way to grow your business, to succeed in this business and any other business. So, to answer your question again, how do you build network marketing business if you don't know many people? Well, it doesn't matter. You will just find a way to find people, because there are over 7 billion people in the world, and people are everywhere, online, offline, no matter where you live. In today's world, you can reach out and you can connect with new people all the time, pretty much no matter where you are. Even if you are in prison or some place like that, you can still find a way, as long as you're willing, and as long as your mind is set to grow your business. So that's how it works. That's what it is. And if you haven't met yet, my name is Oliver Lepki, and I've been helping network marketers with trainings and videos like this all the time. And I have a lot of resources. I've been doing this for 15 years, very successful. I'm a top distributor in Canada in my company, and I help many other people. And if you still feel like you need help, or you're looking for a new place, what I can do is I can share a video or opportunity of what I do. You can learn more, and if this is of interest to you, and if you need some help, somebody who can guide you, train you, coach you, who knows, maybe we can connect. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to leave my contact information so you can reach out to me, check it out, and if you like it, that's wonderful, and if you don't like it, that's wonderful. I appreciate you that you took your time to watch this video to the end. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you again in another session of my driving and learning videos. Bye-bye.